Hey everyone, just wanted to do a quick introduction to the next video. In our last episode, we sailed from Antigua to Sint Maarten. We called beforehand because we had all this boat work that we had lined up, and we found out that everything was cool. They only had 3 COVID cases. This was back in March. And once we arrived, the Heineken Regatta was well underway. Hundreds of boats in the water racing on by, and we zigzagged our way through. And 2 weeks later, we're sitting behind the fabrication company, and the entire country shut down because the COVID cases shot up. So we spent about 2 months sitting on the boat, entertaining ourselves. Hey, how's quarantining going?
It's good. It's good. Nothing special happening. No accident. No incident. Oh.
Did I knock you out?
So we are waiting for 6 weeks. Basically, do nothing.
We saw Willie Nelson during his 420 tribute.
What do you call a guitar player without a girlfriend? Almost. Are we taking a munchy break?
This is the 8th week. I don't know what to do anymore. Real-time message. They're coming. They're coming to get you. Wesley is going crazy every day. Liza going crazy a couple times.
I'm just trying to figure out how to make one when I go to the grocery store. We are out of gin and we are out of
Vodka.
Good time. Cheers. Cheers.
So what do we have here? Is this a nice curtain? Explain the curtain, please.
This is made by the artist called Liza Fletcher. It's very detailed work here using this guy to have more privacy.
I sacrifice my frogs
Yeah,
for
we need
privacy.
more salons.
I think they look pretty. I like a pink curtain. So we had an air guitar competition the other day. Oh my god. I'm gonna include the clip of your air guitar performance. The truth of the matter is, Kaz had not known that air guitar competitions are a real thing. So he totally ate it up and performed. Yeah, I'll show you. Finally, they allowed the FKG to open up and start work on our boat.
Look how big this is.
But that's what, 4 panels?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 coming in.
We are getting our solar panels installed. And it's up, ladies and gentlemen. Now they're gonna just connect all the wirings and we'll have solar power.
So rolling like this. Yeah, for the cable.
So depending on the height, it'll make that side here.
Yeah. But then, do you want to still try to use it as a extra rack?
Yeah, we like to.
The goal was to create an extra rack for some of our toys. We had the advantage of having the electrician work closely with the folks at FKG to make sure he could run the cables through the stainless steel structure seamlessly.
You want me to go as low as we can. I don't know. Maybe a bit higher.
Yeah, a little bit higher.
Well,
Yeah.
I'm just trying to not make the whole thing look like spaghetti.
So while we've been in quarantine here in St. Maarten, we were able to buy a replacement anchor. We're going to go ahead and get that situated on the boat today.
So this is the delta comes with the boat. It's 20 kilo, and this is our new one, Vulcan, 33 kilos. So it's a lot bigger. So and it looks really similar shape, so it will fit without modifying our anchor holder. And then this is supposed to be really good for resetting.
Okay.
Hopefully we have a good, nice sleep with this big anchor.
Yeah.
Here, closed.
We decided to wait for the sun to set a little bit so we can start the real work. This is when the real work begins.
Anchor replacing. So this one, what do you call it, baby?
That is a thingamabob.
Yeah, we call it swivel. So when you drop the anchor, it rotates, so it moves. But this is bad, because if anchor goes this way, it snaps. It doesn't move this way, it doesn't move, it only moves one way. And instead, you're gonna use two blows. So it moves freely, the boat and the anchor. So that's that.
Pro tip.
Pro tip. Remove this. I don't know how. It's very. Can I even remove this?
You're doing a great job. We're delayed. There's corrosion. The corrosion effect on a boat is big. It's real. Everything gets sealed tight. You can't do it. Can't do what you intend to do.
Uh-oh.
The breaking point.
Oh, did you hear that?
Heard it.
Oh. Alright. Oh,
A little bit of this.
Yeah.
A little bit of this.
A little more this. A little more this. Yeah. So when we put this back, we need this. This is the one. Doesn't do this later. Lana coat. If you put this one here, it doesn't do this later. Years later, you can still easily put it up.
Is that a pro tip?
It's a pro tip too. I just got around.
Pro tip.
I just got around from Brunei, from Iron Water World. Alright.
Everything gets corroded. Everything. Just hand this guy to you. You ready? Hopefully it fits in that hole. Maybe you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
Set that guy up right underneath there.
Wow.
Like a glove.
Wow. Yeah. We changed the anchor.
It's a wrap. Alright, we've got some good news and we've got some better news on Xanadu. The good news is they're almost finished with the installation. The better news is that they might grant us entrance back into Grenada for hurricane season. We thought we were going to have to go back to the States because none of the borders were opening, but today we've gotten some good intel that they might let about 1,000 cruisers back in. They're organizing that, and so it looks promising. So we've got good news, better news, and the best news ever. Next on our list of things to do, we're adding some security lights to the back here of the stainless structure. It's gonna go right on the corner so that if anybody approaches the boat at nighttime, the sensor lights will go off and illuminate the area. So my friend here is setting it up. They're getting ready to put it on. It's very exciting times. I've always wanted security lights on the boat because sometimes when you are approaching your boat by dinghy, when you've been out and it's a little late, it's nice to have lights. And it's even better to have security lights. Right, Wes? That's teamwork.
Yeah.
Very satisfied man right there.
Yeah. All right.
Come on, baby.
Ow! Don't hurt yourself.